Welcome to Lecture 5, Creating a Blank Virtual Machine. Desktop. You can see that we have three options here. Install a disk, install a disk image file, and I will install the operating system later. And we'll click on the next button to continue. The new virtual machine wizard window now prompts us to select the type of guest operating system that we'll install on the virtual machine. Since we are going to install OpenSUSE, which is a distribution of Linux, we'll select the guest operating system as Linux, and under the version, we'll select OpenSUSE. There are two versions of OpenSUSE, one for the 32-bit and the other one for 64-bit. SUSE 64-bit. Since VMware Player uses hardware-assisted virtualization to create 64-bit virtual machines, we should enable virtualization technology by getting into the BIOS of our 64-bit computer. In creating a 64-bit virtual machine. Once we are done with selecting OpenSUSE 64-bit, we'll click on the next button to continue. This can be stored. You can change this, but we will leave it to the default setting and click on the next button to continue. Now the wizard. So we'll leave it to the default setting. Then we are presented with the option to either save the virtual disk as a single file The wizard is now ready to create a blank virtual machine. It presents the settings that will be used to create the virtual machine. You can review the settings, and if you want to change it, you can click on the Customize Hardware to modify the settings. You can see the name of the virtual machine that we created. So we have successfully created a blank virtual machine using VMware Player. That brings us to the end of this video. In the next lecture, we'll demonstrate how to install OpenSUSE in the virtual machine that we created using VMware Player. Thank you for watching.